Hello, students and listeners. I'm Mahesh Kumar, lecturer in education. Welcome you all in this session on co-curricular activities. During this session, I will talk about meaning of co-curricular activities, types of co-curricular activities, importance of co-curricular activities, and the various principles of organizing co-curricular activities. In earlier educational concept, the function of school was considered merely imparting knowledge of 3 R's, that is reading, writing, and arithmetic. Students were passive listeners. All the activities of the students were limited to classroom activities only. With the result, students were not fully equipped to solve problems of life. Other aspects of personality were totally neglected. But in modern educational system, the main aim of education is the all-round development of the personality, mean development of various aspects of personality. Here, importance to activities outside the classroom are given. Here, students are active. Now, what is activity? Activity is that which is undertaken by the child in his own environment. तो जैसा हमने देखा कि अर्लियर एजुकेशन सिस्टम में मेन एम होता था कि बच्चों को पढ़ना लिखना सिखाना। स्टूडेंट्स जो थे वो मूक दर्शक थे, लेकिन मॉडर्न एजुकेशन सिस्टम में हमारा मेन एम है ऑल राउंड डेवलपमेंट ऑफ पर्सनैलिटी विच इज़ पॉसिबल ओनली थ्रू वेरियस टाइप ऑफ एक्टिविटीज़. So there are various activities like drama, games and sports, NSS, NCC. All these activities can be classified into various groups. Broadly speaking, we divide all these categories into two main groups: curricular activities and co-curricular activities. Let us talk about curricular activities. Curricular activities are those activities which are directly related to teaching of school subjects, homework, प्रैक्टिकल, लाइब्रेरी, लेबॉर्ट्री एट्सट्रा. तो वह सारी एक्टिविटीज़ जिनका संबंध सब्जेक्ट पढ़ने से हो, जिनका संबंध होमवर्क से हो, प्रैक्टिकल से हो, लाइब्रेरी से हो, लेबॉर्ट्री से हो, उन्हें हम करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज़ कहते हैं. These activities are also called as academic activities. The various types of curricular activities are classroom activities, library study, practical, homework, assignments, and project work. This is all about curricular activities. Now we will talk about co-curricular activities and its types. Co-curricular activities are the components of non-academic curriculum that helps to develop various aspects of the personality of the child. Co-curricular activities are those activities which are performed side by side with the course of study in an institution. Here I want to give one definition. According to Bhatia, co-curricular activities may be defined as those activities undertaken to strengthen the classroom learning as well as other activities, both inside and outside the classroom, to develop the personality of the child. Co-curricular activities जो हैं ये नॉन अकेडमिक करिकुलम का पार्ट हैं, जो कि बच्चों की उनके व्यक्तित्व के विकास में सहायता करती हैं. इन एक्टिविटीज़ का आयोजन क्लासरूम एक्टिविटीज़ के साथ साथ किया जाता है किसी भी स्कूल में. बोथ करिकुलर and co-curricular activities help in the holistic development of the child. Both these activities help in developing various aspects of the personality of the child. There are various types of co-curricular activities which help in achieving this aim of education. The various types of co-curricular activities are classified into various heads. Literary activities. Literary activities are debate, school magazine, library work, essay writing competition, story writing competition, etc. Physical activities, games and sports, mass parade, mass drill, NCC, athletics, indoor and outdoor games. Aesthetic and cultural activities, drama, educational trips, fancy dress competition, folk activities, school decoration, flower festival, social activities, morning assembly, NSS, Red Cross, Shramdan, community work, etc. In leisure activities, photography, album making, coin collecting, stamp collecting, etc. Under moral activities, the activities are morning assembly, drama, celebration of birthday of great men. Now let us come to its importance. Importance of co-curricular activities are of co-curricular activities are physical development value, psychological value, social value, educational value, civic training, recreational value, and cultural value. Physical development value. Games and sports, athletics, NCC directly provide useful exercise to the muscles of the children. These activities provide useful channel to the growth and development of the body. गेम्स एंड स्पोर्ट्स एथलेटिक्स एनसीसी ये बच्चों के शारीरिक विकास में सहायता करती हैं. नेक्स्ट इज साइकोलॉजिकल वैल्यू. द को करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज satisfy the psychological needs of the students. These activities provide effective outlet to their emotional energy. The co-curricular activities meet the psychological needs of the children. Their instincts like curiosity, construction, acquisition, gregariousness, self-display, etc. are sublimated. It is said an idle brain is devil's workshop. Co-curricular activities keep the students fruitful busy. Social value. These activities provide training in the art of living. These activities develop social qualities like fellow feeling, cooperation, sincerity, tolerance, etc., which is difficult to teach through subjects like language, mathematics और सोशल साइंसेस. तो वह सामाजिक मूल्य जो कि हम लैंग्वेज, मैथमेटिक्स या सोशल साइंसेस सब्जेक्ट के द्वारा नहीं पढ़ा सकते, वह गुण, सामाजिक गुण जैसे कि फेलो फीलिंग, कोऑपरेशन हम को करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज़ की सहायता से सिखा सकते हैं. एजुकेशनल वैल्यू. These activities have great educational potential. Practical knowledge can be imparted through co-curricular activities. Language and expression improve through debates. Celebration of function develop organizational capacities and leadership qualities of the students. तो co-curricular activities का शैक्षिक महत्व है. Civic value. With the introduction of self-government in the schools, practical training in practicing democratic ideals is provided. On the playground, students get opportunities to develop leadership qualities like initiative, decision making, judgment, tolerance, etc. These qualities are required for a democratic society. Recreational value. Activities like games, athletics, drama, excursion, community camp are full of recreation. By participating in these activities, students feel relaxed, tension free and get opportunities of fun and recreation. तो को करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज़ जो है ये बच्चों को नेक्स्ट इज कल्चरल वैल्यू. Co-curricular activities are very important as they help in providing opportunities for better understanding of our cultural heritage. Activities like dramatics, folk song, dance, folk music, exhibition, celebration of various religious and social festivals provide better knowledge and understanding of our culture. Let us talk about principles of organizing co-curricular activities. Only those activities should be organized for which there are possibilities of making them success. Wide varieties of activities may be organized. बहुत सारी एक्टिविटीज़ का आयोजन किया जाना चाहिए जिससे कि हर बच्चे को अपनी मनपसंद एक्टिविटीज़ में पार्टिसिपेट करने का मौका मिले. द एक्टिविटी शुड बी ऑर्गेनाइज विद इन स्कूल टाइम. जो स्कूल टाइम में ही ऑर्गेनाइज करवाई जानी चाहिए. टीचर इन चार्ज ऑफ एक्टिविटी शुड हैव इंटरेस्ट इन इट. टीचर इन चार्ज उसी को बनाना चाहिए, उसी एक्टिविटी का बनाना चाहिए जिसमें वो इंटरेस्टेड हो. इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटी शुड बी गिवन टू एवरी चाइल्ड. हर बच्चे को बराबर मौका मिलना चाहिए. एवरी एक्टिविटी शुड बी वैल्यूएटेड एंड प्रॉपर रिकॉर्ड शुड बी मेंटेन. हर एक्टिविटी का मूल्यांकन किया जाना चाहिए और उसका प्रॉपर रिकॉर्ड मेंटेन करना चाहिए. एक्टिविटी शुड बी लेस एक्सपेंसिव एंड फिजिबल. हो जहाँ तक हो सके एक्टिविटीज़. Today we studied about meaning of co-curricular activities, types of co-curricular activities, importance of co-curricular activities, and principles of co-curricular activities. Thank you.